Menlo Security has made Zero Trust access easy and more secure with Menlo Secure Application Access. It's the next generation of secure remote access designed for modern applications and a diverse workforce. It's easy to deploy, manage, and use, and it uniquely meets Gartner's stringent security requirements for Zero Trust. Menlo Secure Application Access is designed for today's hybrid workforce, enabling you to support unmanaged devices, contractors, and consultants just as easily as your enterprise users. Here's how it works. For modern web or SaaS applications, users need only a web browser or a browser extension. They log in, they select the application they want to access in the web interface or the browser extension, and that's it, they're up and running. To support legacy applications, a desktop client is available and is just as easy to provision, manage, and use. What makes secure application access so secure is that Menlo separates the application from the users. Network separation ensures an ongoing assessment of device and user context. This network separation distinguishes Menlo from first-generation ZTNA solutions. To learn more about secure application access or to request a demonstration, see the options below. Menlo Security. Secure the browser and secure the enterprise.